write one important property of a paramagnetic material. Okay, we'll see the important property of the paramagnetic material. That is, a paramagnetic material have a small positive susceptibility to magnetic fields. These materials are slightly attracted by the magnetic field and do not retain the magnetic properties when the external field is also removed. This is one of the important property of the paramagnetic material. Second part here, do the diamagnetic substances have resultant magnetic moment in an atom in the absence of external magnetic field? No. Answer for the second part of the question is no. No, the diamagnetic substance have resultant magnetic moment in an atom in the absence of the magnetic field? No, it is not possible.